Unfortunately, no silly ticking on the box. However, when you open the box, you see the first things as a manual, the battery, the charger, and the charger power supply cable. In the box, you'll have the body, the battery pack, which is the LPE6NH, the battery charger as mentioned, and the camera strap. Little protective cover for the battery, nothing special. It's quite disappointing with the amount of plastic that's in the box. Doesn't create a really perfect unboxing experience. However, when you're excited to have your camera finally in your hands, it doesn't matter that much. But for a premium product, obviously would expect a bit more premium unboxing experience. The usual strap, probably won't even put that to the camera. And like I mentioned again about the plastic, finding the body in this wrapped plastic instead of like something nice and soft fabric, yeah, it's disappointing. But absolutely beautiful body, nice big viewfinder, great in the hands. Everything is feeling very smooth. Definitely the quality of the camera itself is making up for the shitty unboxing experience. But that's why you pay for the camera, not for the box, right? The usual flaps on the side of the camera with the USB-C. Without the battery, the body is weighing around 588 grams. Extremely light in the hands. Buttons are nice and clicky. You'll notice on the lens cap that there is a little black line that needs to align with your lens mount, which has that little red dot. That will be the same for your lenses once you install your lenses. The protective cover for the hot shoe mount, I'll keep it in for some protection, unless I have obviously the flash. Overall, a great feeling camera. Look how small is the 50mm lens right next to the body. It's quite a good combo having these two together. If you really want to just have a little nifty 50, travel around for some street photography or actually any sort of photography, works with this lens. This is the lens I have for the moment. I'm waiting for my 24-70 f2.8. Go over and pop in the battery, see how that goes. Nothing special to it, you'll just notice there's a small little white lever. Just make sure it clicks when you put in the battery. And there you have it. Obviously it's not gonna go on. The battery just came out of the box, not yet charged. That needs to be charging tonight. Once again, overall a really good feeling camera in the hand. Nice and light. Even with the battery and a memory card, the camera weighs a total of 670 grams, excluding your lens, of course. You can obviously charge the camera as well through the body with USB-C. Battery just clicks in on the charger. Well, and there you have it, the unboxing of the Canon R6 Mark II with a 50mm lens. Thanks for watching.